Hi, this is Jeff at Tech Equipment in Seattle. This is a 2019 International box truck. It's a 26 footer. As you can see, the tires have deep tread and are in good condition. Plenty of tread left. The box is in good shape. It's a local truck here in Washington, so tends to be very little corrosion on these trucks. This one's got the Supreme box on it, and it is got the Cummins engine. It's a medium duty 70-gallon fuel capacity, only just under 200,000 miles, 199,403. And it's got the 60/40 bench seat and a very clean interior. There you go.